Hey guys, this is Zafar from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. How are you doing? Today is a great day. Today is amazing day. You are amazing. You are great. You can do anything. Repeat after me. I am great. I am blessed. I am energetic. I am skillful. I am powerful. I am strong. I can do anything. I can achieve anything. I am capable. I am enough. I am beautiful. I am handsome. I am smart. I am happy. I am joyful. I am courageous. Repeat all these statements. These are powerful statements. These are powerful I am affirmations. I am are the two words behind which whatever you put, you can manifest. I am are the two most powerful words in the universe. So you can repeat all these statements and declare yourself. If you want to be a reader, I am reader. I am writer. I am speaker. Right? Repeat this on consistent basis. In reality, speak with feeling, with emotion. In that way, you will manifest it. In that way, you will attract. These are affirmations. I am affirmations. The power of I am. You are declaring yourself. I am intelligent. I am talented. Right? Right now, so we are so much lacking. We don't know what our purpose is. So it is very much difficult for us to find the correct thing, to find what motivates us, to find what inspires us. So these are some of the techniques which you can use on daily basis to find your life purpose, to know yourself, to know thyself. Previously I have made a video on meditation, mindfulness meditation, how it can help, focusing on your breathing, knowing your thoughts, emotions, feelings. So these are some of the techniques which you can implement on everyday basis to know yourself. And the most important question in the universe, entire universe, is to know who am I? What is my existence? What is my purpose? Why I am here on the earth? The day when you were born and the day you discover this question is the day you have achieved something, or is the day you have known for. And when you discover this question, you will be definitely successful in your life. So this was just a short introduction, short talk regarding the importance of finding purpose, how you can do that, the power of affirmations, the power of I am affirmations, declaring the statement, positive statement in the present tense. And I have already mentioned that you can repeat these affirmations early in the morning or before going to bed at the night time. These are two important times which you can repeat these affirmations. And why? Because you are at that time, your subconscious mind is in alpha state, and it is in the alpha state the manifestation happens. So practice this. Repeat with me again. I am powerful. I am strong. I am courageous. I am capable. I can do anything. I can achieve anything. Anything is possible. I am intelligent. I am talented. I am knowledgeable. I am energetic. I am skillful. Right? Speak this into existence and you will find your life amazing. I have already made a book regarding this, the book of positive affirmations. You can check that on Amazon. It is available. It is in Kindle format as well as paperback version, and you can purchase it. And these affirmations are amazing affirmation. It contains almost 700 plus affirmations which you can speak into existence and all will work, because it is amazing list of affirmations which I have planned. So do buy my book of positive affirmations and let me know the feedback in the comments how you find. And also you can review them on Amazon. It will help to reach more people. Right? So this was the message from my end. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.
You